when moms first find out that they're pregnant, it's usually pretty fantastic after it all sets in. They get really excited, and then baby starts to develop inside mom, and then mom starts noticing little things. How do you think then our moms out there, because I see it as a pretty strong cascade of events where something usually happens to
Mhm.
them later in pregnancy. That's why they usually come in. Is most of our moms come in because they have sciatica, low back pain, round ligament pain.
Hemorrhoids?
What's that?
Hemorrhoids?
Hemorrhoids, pain into their legs, varicosities into their
Mhm.
legs, something that's causing them a tremendous amount of pain. And honestly, their birth care provider, whether it's MD, midwife, doula,
Mm.
their hands are tied because they really can't help them.